Introduction to Smart Appliance Automation.
Smart appliance automation uses advanced technology to make household devices easier to use. These appliances, like smart ovens and washing machines, can be programmed, controlled by voice, or operated with a smartphone. For people with disabilities, this innovation means greater independence, as they can perform daily tasks in the kitchen or laundry with less physical effort and more convenience.
How automated kitchen appliances work.
Automated kitchen appliances include ovens, stoves, and refrigerators with features designed for accessibility. Voice commands or mobile apps can be used to adjust settings, start cooking, or check food status. For example, a smart oven might give audio updates or shut off automatically, helping users safely prepare meals without needing to reach controls or monitor cooking closely.
Benefits in laundry automation.
Smart washers and dryers simplify laundry tasks by offering remote operation and tailored cycles. Users can load laundry, then start, pause, or customize washes through their phones or by speaking to a voice assistant. Automatic detergent dispensers and end-of-cycle notifications reduce steps and allow users with mobility or cognitive challenges to manage laundry with greater independence.
Accessibility features and user support.
The accessibility features go beyond remote controls. Large, easy-to-read displays, tactile buttons, adjustable heights, and audio prompts make appliances easier for people with visual or mobility impairments. Some devices provide reminders or maintenance alerts, reducing worry about missed tasks and helping users stay on top of daily routines safely.
The impact on independent living.
This way, All Essential Kicks' smart appliance automation empowers individuals with disabilities to live more independently. Routine tasks that once required assistance can now be completed solo and safely by